Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Adam. If you love luxury fashion, then you're definitely going to love my channel. So make sure you like, subscribe, and check out my Instagram below for all of the latest updates. And today, let's get right into it. So in today's video, I have my very first Oscar de la Renta Barbie. And you know that I do have an entire Barbie collection where I show all of my Versace Barbies, Dior Barbies. But this is my first Oscar de la Renta one, so I'm so excited for it. So without any further ado, let's unbox it and see what it's like. Here we have this amazingly cute Oscar de la Renta Barbie. Now, this is a signature Barbie. It's so classic and iconic. This does retail for about $300 or $400. When this did come out brand new, I think it did originally retail for $175, so it's not too bad of a brand new price. But how cute is this? Okay, so obviously we have the classic Oscar de la Renta design. With the box removed, you are left with this super nice white chic box, but it does actually open on the side right here. So we can go ahead, pop that open, and wow, you can see how cute is she. Now, like I said, this is a wedding collection one, and this is so beautiful. Now, the fact that my mom got me this one, I'm like, is this a sign that I'm gonna get married in 2025? Hopefully, because that would be so beautiful and just so great. Before I actually take the doll out to get a good look at it, we do have the back of the box, and we can see that there are 10,000 of them worldwide. So that is really, really cool. Super limited. I mean, I know 10,000 doesn't sound like a lot, but when you think that there's like a billion people in the world, 10,000 does become more rare. With the box open, you can see just how beautiful it is. It literally looks like a beautiful flower canvas right behind it, but the doll itself is just so entirely beautiful. Now, this makeup is absolutely phenomenal. Congratulations to whoever did it because it is absolutely stunning. Even her cute little bridal hair and her earrings, absolutely phenomenal. Now, the thing about her dress is the dress is amazing quality because it's real fabric. So this right here, it's real chiffon. It's not fake chiffon made for like a Barbie. So this is just so soft to touch. It does have actual little feathers right here, which is just so beautiful for the bouquet. The dress, again, it's like the cutest little doily ever. But how cute is this? Now, I wonder if she's wearing shoes. I don't think I can even lift this up enough to see the shoes. Yep, can't lift that up enough because I don't want to ruin this one. This one, I'll only open this one the day that I get married. Like the day I'm married and like I'm in the back waiting for like the thing to start, I would totally have her like on the table next to me as like I get ready with all my bridesmaids and grooms and everything. So how cute is this? I love it. Also, if you look real closely, you can see that there is a beautiful rhinestone slash diamond in the center, and then these cute little pearls as well. And again, the detailing is phenomenal. Now, also the thing about this specific Barbie, the reason this one is so important because it's Oscar de la Renta. Oscar de la Renta is the very first luxury fashion designer to ever partner with Barbie. So they do have 3 different Oscar de la Renta dolls. This one is the newest one. I think this came out, I think this was actually this year or a couple years ago, but so gorgeous and just absolutely like, wow, how beautiful is she? I'm so glad that she goes with my other collections because you know I do have the Versace Barbie dolls. I do have 2 different Versace ones. I have a Christian Dior, and I think I have another designer one as well, but I can't remember. But it's so beautiful. And now I have Oscar de la Renta. So absolutely gorgeous. I love it. And tell me what you think about this one. So obviously with this Oscar de la Renta Barbie, I do genuinely think that this is so cute. Now it personally really does make me excited to get married because I'm like, maybe in 2025, this is a sign that I'll get married this year. And I would absolutely love that. But also when it comes to Oscar de la Renta, I did actually try on a lot of dresses from Oscar de la Renta just for fun, and I do have an entire video about it, which I'll have linked right above and in the description below, because the thing with Oscar de la Renta is their designs are phenomenal. The quality, the silhouettes, honestly, if I could pull off half of the Oscar de la Renta looks, I would totally get so many dresses from them. And when I do have my future princess, my little daughter, I can totally tell you right now, I will definitely get her so much Oscar de la Renta dresses and clothing, and it's just gonna be so cute and adorable. Alright, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I truly do appreciate it. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below. Tell me what was your favorite part about this Barbie, and are there any fashion designer Barbies or just regular Barbies that are your favorite? So comment that down below. Again, thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it, and have a great day. Au revoir.